Hello, my friend, Stephanie Bernard at the Stamps of Life. And let me just tell you, this is a very exciting moment for us because we've taken the Foldit Club and tweaked it a little tiny bit. And a lot of you already know about it, but some of you do not. So this might be extra special for you. So it is Foldit Club time. It is time for me to reveal the Foldit Club, but there's more. So let's jump in and I'll show you the Foldit Club. I'm going to show you all of my samples. We're going to do everything. Okay, ready, get set. I love this one. And actually the funny thing is recently on one of my lives, somebody said, I wish you had blah, 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 blah. And I'm like, it was already done. It was like waiting to be shipped. Dun, 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 dun. It is a trophy Foldit. Now, first things first, what is a Foldit? A Foldit is a shaped card. It is a die that I have designed that is when folded using the technique that I'm going to show you in a second, it creates a standard card size. This standard card size is A2. Now, let me just show you, let me turn it over because I want to show you how many words I have fit in here. I have fit in here world's best dad, world's best mom, world's best friend, world's best kid. But wait, there's even more. So that is the Foldit Club. If you're in the Foldit Club, this is being automatically sent to you. If you are not in the Foldit Club, the only way to get this is if you join the Foldit Club. This is exclusive to the club of the Foldit Club. Now, the Foldit Club is really exciting because not only do you get a shaped card every month, you also get a handy dandy postcard and you get 2 stencils. Now, the stencils for this one, and I'm going to show you them all together because it'll make more sense, is number 1 is the number 1. Number 1, the hashtag, the number sign, and then the number 1. Perfect for all of your backgrounds. Then I made one that has more words, numbers, and highlights for your trophy. So we have you are a, you can say star, champ, you are amazing, you rock, number 1, a big star, and shadow pieces for your trophy, which is so much fun. Now, let me jump in to show you my samples, and then I'm going to show you how easy peasy it is to make one of these, okay? So here we go. Let's look at our samples. Here's one, world's best mom. Love it. Here's another one, world's best kid. Isn't that cute? You can write your message on the inside. Here's another one, world's best dad. Love it. So fun. Look how cute that is on the inside. The stenciled number 1 and the stenciled star. World's best. Look at that. So you have the option to put a word there or not. That's up to you, right? You could even, if you wanted to, use the numbers and stencil the numbers in there for the year. Wouldn't that be fun? Ooh, now here's a fun technique with our stencil that has all the words. You can do the words on the background of the card, all the words together, which is really fun. Number 1, friend. Love it. And then wait for this. Look at this one. Look at this. Happy birthday. 50! But look at this. You can turn our half gatefold card into a stand-up. Isn't that fantastic? Let me move so you can see. Oh, look at that. Isn't that awesome? I absolutely love it. Now, not to be outdone, Michelle did make a stuffy of our cute little trophy, which I absolutely love. Now, let's jump in and I'm going to show you how easy it is to make a trophy. What we're going to do is we're going to grab the die, and on the back, if you're new to Foldits, this is going to be the perfect trick for you because I want to show you how easy they are to make. Because we always send out rectangle cards, right? Slimline, mini slimline, A2, A1, A7. But what about a shaped card? Shaped cards take it to the next level, right? So on all of our Foldits, on the very back, it says on the shadow die, place fold here. If you want a top fold, you'll place the fold there. If you want a side fold, it'll show you where to put the fold, place fold here. So all you're going to do, and I haven't even shown you the exciting part yet. I'm just showing you this part. We're going to fold this in half. Easy peasy, right? Anyone can do that. And then we're going to take this die, and it says, I want it to be a top fold. So it says place fold here. I am going to take this. Here's my fold. Here's my fold right here, and I'm going to take it. It says place fold here. I'm going to exaggerate it so you can really see, but then I'm going to bring it down, and I'm going to do it just that fold right inside that die. Then I'm going to take it to my die cut machine, and I'm going to die cut it. I'm going to make sure that die stays right in, that fold stays right inside there, and I'm going to run this through my machine. Now, the nice thing about Foldits for the A2 size is they will all fit in a standard 6-inch die cut machine. So you do not have to have a bigger machine. Now, we're going to bring this back, and here is my trophy. Ta-da! Ta-da! But sometimes the design looks a little funny at the top if you have that straight piece. So what we're going to do, on this one, it's not too bad, but what we're going to do is we're going to take the same die, but no folding, and we're just going to die cut it normal, just like this. So I'm going to lay that down, and I'm just going to die cut this normal like I would every day, right? Like a regular die. Just die cut it normal. Now this is going to be the front of my card base, the front of my card. So now look at this. Look at this. I'm going to add adhesive to the front here. I'm going to lay that down, and now I get to decorate. And I can turn it into anything I want. Look at that. I can put it on an A2 card. I can add decoration to it. The other die that comes in the kit is the next die. You are just going to lift that up, and then you're going to use this die to decorate in any which way you want. So simple, right? Now, you can rest assured that this is an A2 Foldit. It's going to fit in a standard card envelope. Yay! I know, but don't limit yourself just to shaped cards. You can also do it on a regular card, right? You can also make it a banner. You can make it a box. Here's an example of making one of our Foldits into a cute little box using our box it die. You can use it in your scrapbook pages. There's so many different ways. You can even make cute little stuffies like Michelle does. So many different ways to do it, right? Now, I said something special about this one, right? Remember I said that at the beginning? We have released, by popular request, and I had been thinking about this a while, this is awesome, right? Yay, a shaped card, yay. It's exclusive to the club. Only club members get it. You know, if you get it, you get it. If you don't, you don't. It's never going to be on our website, right? Well, we have added a little extra optional add-on. The optional add-on would ship with your Foldit Club. And what is it? It is a 4x4 stamp set that coordinates with this die set. So, for example, it says, "Let's celebrate you. You take the prize. You are a winner. Proud of you. You did it." And in this corner, it has a mini version of the shaped card as a stamp. So now I can stamp the back of my cards. I can stamp my envelope of a mini version of the Foldit, and that will be on every stamp set. Isn't that exciting? Now, if you're in the Foldit Club, this is the first month we've done this. If you're in the Foldit Club and you did not already sign up for this, you can go to our website and sign up now, starting for next month. But if you're just going crazy because you didn't know about this and you really, really want this stamp set and it'll never be on our website, send us an email, info@thestampsoflife.com. Faylene will take care of you this first time. But after that, you need to sign up. You can only do this one time where she sends it to you separately. After that, nope, you got to be in the club. So make sure you go to our website, thestampsoflife.com. Click on add on, or I think there's a little picture of me saying, say what? Click on that, go join the add-on part for only $8 more, 4x4 stamp set sent automatically with your shipment. I know, isn't it amazing? I'm so excited. A lot of you have already signed up, so we've got a lot of you are getting the stamp set automatically. It's so much fun. Go to our website, stampsoflife.com. I know I'm going to see you there soon. Take care. Bye-bye. much for watching this video. You know what? If you would like to see more inspiration, I need you to click that little button there. If you want to visit our website, click right here. And if you want to subscribe to our YouTube channel, make sure you click right here, because you know what? You're not going to want to miss a thing. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.